I welcome on my lovely viewers. As it be like say this two-face and Annie matter. It be like say no be today go end. It be like say we supposed go call all our village people, make them come help these people settle this matter. Because Annie brother now don't come outside Sylvester. Talk say himself one request for him own. Say he need an apology. I know they talk of apology. Say go take sharp apology within 24 hours. Say because of say what he said now this whole matter where they happen. They carry him mama enter the whole matter. Say they insulting mama and because of this one say the thing really pain them. Say no care about Two-Face. Say Two-Face and Annie like make they fight kill themselves. That one not even concern them. But say for the fact say they when they drag their mama. Say their mama now use juju now use this one put inside the whole matter. Say na that one pain and see as it be inconsistent. As an elderly person, may go report this thing to Two-Face mama. Or I no go surprise with Two-Face mama do this guy. Now dear mama give this guy blocking. He never hear what the woman. He never wait listen to what this guy want. Now dear mama block him. Now what he come vex this guy in come aside. They talk say if one no give that apology, say hell go lose. My people beg. Make it follow me watch.
Peace and love, Nigerians. My name is Sylvester. Many of you don't know me because I don't like to be up there in the front. I don't cloud chase. I'm not about the fame or materialistic. But this has come to my attention. The disrespect going towards my mom. I don't care about my sister or husbands, their issues. They will solve that. Every marriage have problems and then they settle. But for you to bring my mother into this when she had nothing to do with my sister and her husband, and now out in public, nah, that's not gonna slide. Not while I'm alive. I sent Two-Face's mom a message. The same message I posted, I sent that same message to her. Nigeria, what did she do? What did this old woman do? She listened to it and then she blocked me. She did not have the decency. I thought she was a Christian woman. She did not have the decency or the godliness in her heart to say, my son, don't be upset. I see what my child is doing. I'm going to talk to him to stop and to apologize to your mom. You would think that's what a decent elderly woman would do, right? No. But she's not. She's only elderly with age, but her mind is, she's like a little. Yes, Mrs. Idibia, Two-Face's mom and Oche's mom is a little. I sent her a voice note telling her that her son should go apologize because I don't want to make this get even worse. She listened and then she blocked me. Do you know what that means, Nigeria? If a mother does that and a child is busy insulting your own mother and then you tell the mom to please talk to her son and the mom instead blocks you, that means she's the one giving him all the confidence to do what he's doing. Which means she approves. Which means Two-Face approves. Which means HI approves. So since you guys are coming for us and we've been quiet for 2-3 days, Nigerians, haven't the McCulloughs been quiet? We've been quiet. But now I give you guys 24 hours to make up for before all break loose. If it is us, then it's you too. You've been quiet trying to see if you guys will come to some type of common sense. But since the DBS have then it's you guys. 24 hours, I want to see that apology.
Hey, now what? But it be like say this guy is smokes more igbo before he come outside can't do this kind of video because I dey wonder this same Sylvester now he first come outside come disown Annie Idibia say in fact Annie no be his sister, he no be this one. I come surprise say now you still come dey carry this matter for your head. And you will not get patience, you know, give me waiting this guy they talk because I never know behind the dada with a block in face. Behind I waiting making sense, they confused, happy waiting. But I won't give this guy hint, say he don't forget, say. As if they do this video, himself don't insult Two-Face mama. He may say this one has score na 1-1. You insult the mama. The yourself don't cuss him back. On a 2 don't cuss herself. But in they claim now, say he don't give us the hint, say. Now the mama now they push Two-Face. Say everything way Two-Face they do. Say mama they give him all the full support. See as they follow the mama know everything about her. So if you want to put every blame, he go carry the blame, give the mama self. And say this mama no be good mama. Say because a normal mama, if you report this kind, mama go call you down. So my pikin, this one we they do, you no good. But I be like say this whole Jamaica thing where this guy the thing really vex him. Now wait till make a conscious eye they talk this one. But until me I they wait make this hair loose because I go love to see the whole hair we won't lose. But I hope say you go do so because this 24 hours I no go surprise say you go still reach. And the thing won't happen, we go see behind a court you won't carry them go. I never know where I won't do. But anything won't happen, now here we go there. They see him. But I beg, a blessing Nigeria, kata just plenty. To be married person na problem. To even come be in-law na double problem. I beg when person wan come dey inside this Nigeria to dey safe. Because no we are just even good. But this animal it just tire me. Now she carry herself, give everybody right. Now this one will come outside. After will come outside, do video, say, Annie do this one, Annie do that one. If say you just carry this matter, make all of them call on herself as family. See that don't I'm not sure say by now everybody now go to come outside, they put smart inside this one. But this one now on a family problem, now on a start up, now on a go end them. I don't know as now what take off. In fact, make I help now resolve them. Make Annie just marry Pere as first wife, I've been a Pere. Then you take her second wife as you don't accept her from the beginning. I don't know why now you can't dey vex. But anyway, now God go help now settle this kind one. My people, now here I go end them for today. If you not get anything to talk about them, make a write them inside the comment section. Make a stay tuned for our next story.